My dear seniors, today I want to share with you 5 gentle but powerful home remedies, secrets passed down through generations that can help ease the common discomforts of senior life, support your body's natural healing, and keep you feeling more comfortable, more mobile, and more at peace, all using simple, natural ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. The first secret remedy is warm lemon and honey water for digestion and immunity. A humble drink that has soothed stomachs and lifted immune defenses for centuries. Simply squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into a mug of warm, not boiling water and stir in a teaspoon of raw honey, sipping it slowly in the morning to wake up the digestive system, stimulate the liver, and provide a gentle dose of vitamin C and natural antibacterial compounds. The second remedy is ginger tea for aches, pains, and circulation, because ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and warming herb that improves blood flow and helps ease stiff joints and sore muscles. Just slice a few thin pieces of fresh ginger root, simmer in a small pot of water for 10 minutes, and enjoy with a touch of honey if you like. Many seniors find this especially comforting in the cooler months, as it warms the hands and feet and seems to melt away tension. The third secret is Epsom salt soaks for tired muscles and better sleep, a simple remedy that delivers magnesium through the skin, helping muscles relax, easing aches, and calming the nervous system. Fill a basin with warm water, dissolve a handful of Epsom salts, and soak your feet for 15-20 minutes before bed. Or if you prefer, add 2 cups to a warm bath for a full body soak. This small ritual can also improve circulation in the feet and help you drift into deeper, more restful sleep. The fourth remedy is chamomile and lavender tea for relaxation and digestion, a fragrant, calming blend that not only helps you unwind in the evening but can also soothe an upset stomach. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers with a pinch of dried lavender in hot water for 5 minutes. Strain and sip slowly. The gentle floral aroma signals to your brain that it's time to relax while the herbs work quietly to ease muscle tension and digestive discomfort. And the fifth secret remedy is warm olive oil with garlic for ear comfort and immune support, a traditional treatment often used when ears feel blocked or uncomfortable, though it should only be used when there's no sign of infection or damage. Gently warm a tablespoon of olive oil with a crushed clove of garlic. Let it cool to a comfortable temperature, strain, and place just a drop or two into the ear, lying on your side for a few minutes before wiping away any excess. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, and the warm oil soothes dryness and irritation. When used wisely and carefully, these 5 remedies, lemon and honey water, ginger tea, Epsom salt soaks, chamomile, and lavender tea and warm olive oil with garlic can become part of your daily or weekly routine, offering gentle relief without relying on harsh chemicals. Of course, my friends, I must remind you that while these remedies are generally safe, they should be used alongside, not in place of, professional medical advice when needed. And if you have any concerns, it's always best to check with your healthcare provider. The beauty of these secrets is not just in their effectiveness, but in the ritual, the quiet moments of care you give yourself, the connection to traditions that have soothed people for generations, and the reminder that your home is full of healing gifts if you know how to use them. Start with just one of these remedies today, and you may find yourself feeling lighter, warmer, and more cared for in both body and spirit.